Hey guys, sorry if I sound a little stuffed, I'm sick, but today I'm going to be doing my mom's makeup. Right now I'm just sanitizing my hands. I'm going to tone her face using the Pore Refining Toner by Neutrogena, and this is just to remove any dirt or excess oils from her face. Going in with the Beauty 360 Clear Skin Daily Moisturizer. She wanted to moisturize her face herself, so she's doing that. Now I'm priming her face with the Prime and Fine Primer by Catrice Cosmetics, and I also like to pat a little bit of the primer into her skin. For foundation, I will be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm mixing the colors vanilla and light beige to get her shade. Here I am only taking the shade Vanilla to highlight under her eyes, her nose bridge, her chin, and the center of her forehead. I'm going to set the places I highlighted using the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Light. Now I'm doing her eyebrows. I'm just brushing her eyebrows into place with a spoolie. To fill them in, I'm going to be using the BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette from BH Cosmetics. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Rose Palette, and I'm just blending in the creases in her eyes. First, I'm going to take this cream color and just blend it all over the lid. Next, taking this brown color and applying it to her crease and outer corner.
That's good.
Now going in with this darker shade of brown to deepen up the outer corner. Then I'm going to apply this shimmery pink shade to the rest of the lid. I'm going to also spray my brush before applying. Now I'm going back in with the brown to blend it together. Here I'm going in with a very dark brown to line her lash line, opposed to using black eyeliner for a more subtle look. For mascara, I will be going in with the Rocket Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. Next, I'm going to contour using the BH Cosmetics Shade and Define 10 Color Contour Palette. For blush, I'll be using the Classic Blush 10 Color Blush Palette, again by BH Cosmetics. Trust me guys, I'm not sponsored by BH Cosmetics. Their products are just affordable. Here I'm just removing the foundation from off her lips so that they are ready for lipstick. And now I am applying some Vaseline to moisturize her lips. To line her lips, I'm going in with the colors Dusky Rose and Risk Taker, and I'm mixing those together. To fill in, I'm going to be using the Mauve Me color, and this is the Freedom Creator palette by JCat Beauty. Now I'm just cleaning up around her mouth with a little bit of the foundation from earlier. Now I'm going to set her face using the Makeup Finishing Spray by Skindinavia. And now for highlight, I'm using the color Glow from the palette Spotlight Highlight 6 color palette by BH Cosmetics. And then spraying her face one more time with the setting spray. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed and have a wonderful Mother's Day.